How to remove first page number in Word document. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can remove page number from the first page in your Word document. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your Word file where you want to remove the page number from the first page. So after you have opened it up, now here let's first insert the page number. For that, navigate to this toolbar and go to insert. Once you're here, navigate towards header and footer section. There, click on page number. Now you have to add page number according to your preference. Either you want at the top of the page, bottom of the page. So for now, we will go bottom of the page. Now you can choose the layout. For example, I want this one. Now there you can see the page number has been added in each page. Now, if you want to remove this page number from the first page, first of all, what you have to do is go to home. From here, you have to click on this symbol, click on it. Now, once you have inserted that, you can close this header and footer. Now, once you have done that, again, go to layout and from here, click on bricks. Now, click on next page. So once you have added this section break, what you have to do is go to the second page. Remember, you have to go to the second page and click on this page number right here. Once you have done that, as you navigate at the top section under header and footer, there is an option available that says link to previous. So you have to unclick it. So once you have done that, you have disabled this link to previous where the link between the first page and second page is now broken. Once you have done that, now again go to the insert and now go to page number. From here, click on format page number. Now you have to start at 1. So once you have done that, click on OK. So there you can see now we have page number 1 in our second page and page number 2 in our third page. Now to remove this page number from your first page, you can select the page number of your first page and then simply press backspace key, or you can close this header and footer. And once that, again navigate to this page number, you have to select it and then press backspace key. So there you can see now the page number from your first page has been removed. You can close this header and footer. Now you can also click in this button right here. And as you can see, we have removed the page number from the first page and the page number starts from the second page. So that's the way to remove page number from the first page in the Word file. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.